Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to a new week of Word of the Day. I hope you have your paper in front of you with your name on it. And today's date is Monday, April 13th, 2020. So when I write the date, I'm going to write a 4 for April dash 13 dash 20. And your word of the day today is the word ram. Say it with me, ram. Okay, writing your word ram. If you need more time, pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to keep going. Okay, our word is ram. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Ram. Okay, say it fast. Ram. Let's count how many sounds. Ready? Ram. You should have 3 sounds. Okay, our first sound. Like Raymond and Roseanne Hill. We're going to write letter R. Like Addie and Alex and Alexandra. A. Ready? Let's say our sounds. Am. Like Mario and Madeline and Milani. Letter M. Ram. Making sure you wrote the word 2 times now. Once by yourself and then again with me. And with me, I want to see that all 3 letters are the same size in the same lines. And now start thinking of some rhyming words. Ram, cam. Ram, ham. Ram, Sam. Ooh, Sam, that reminds me of green eggs and ham. And that rhymes too. I'm going to go ahead and write Sam. Sam is a name, so I'm going to write a capital S. Sam. You could write your own word or you could copy my word, but go ahead and write a word that rhymes with ram. And now we are going to make our sentence for our day. A ram is a big animal, and we don't really have any in Florida unless you are at a zoo. You might be able to see one there. So my sentence today is, I can see a ram at the zoo. Say it with me, ready? I can see a ram at the zoo. Count how many words. Try it by yourself first. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? I can see a ram at the zoo. 5 and 3, how many? 8, good. Okay, let's get our pencil ready. We're gonna start underneath our rhyming word all the way in the corner, and we need to start our sentence with a capital letter. When we write I though, it's always capital, right? I, spaceman, can. Can is a sight word. How do you spell it? I hope you said C-A-N. I can see. Make sure you do spaceman. See is another sight word. How do you spell it? S-E-E. Okay, read it with me. I can see a. When we write do we do capital or lowercase? Lowercase, good. Read it again. I can see a ram. Okay, when I do my spaceman, I'm not gonna have room, so I need to go to my next line. Ram, it's your word of the day. How do you write it? Ram. Let's read it. I can see a ram at. At's another sight word. Now you guys are seeing why it's so important to know all of your sight words. Good, A-T, at. Let's read it all. I can see a ram at the. How do we write the? It's a sight word. T-H-E. Good. Okay, we're almost done. I can see a ram at the zoo. Ooh. Remember, to make it say ooh, we need two O's. Okay, and what do we need at the end of our sentence? We're not asking a question, so we just need a period. Okay, let's read it one more time together. Ready? I can see a ram at the zoo. Good. Now go show your paper to somebody in your family and show them how you could read this sentence all by yourself. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.